is going on, everyone? My name is Lucas Murphy, and today I'm going to provide you a review of one of the most powerful tools out there when it comes to trading penny stocks, and that is going to be penny power trading. And let me tell you, this thing is so powerful. I have profited over $1,500, and I've only been in this group for a little over a month now. Yes, $1,500. This group has been extraordinary when it comes to providing helpful tips and watch list, but it comes with so much more. For a beginner like myself, when it comes to penny stocks, I would recommend you swinging by the Instagram page and look at the numerous success stories that comes from this group. I can even say I benefit from this group myself. Also, since penny stocks are a hard concept to understand, the group provides videos for beginners, and these videos discuss the very basics of trading penny stocks. Everything from candlesticks to chart patterns and so much more. This group is very cohesive, as throughout the trading day, on the trading floor, callouts are mentioned, and it helps traders really see the unique and amazing ability some traders have. I'm telling you guys, this chat room is well worth it. If you're interested, it's going to be $39.99 a month, or you can pay a 12-month subscription of $399.99. Trust me, you will become profitable just like I did. So join.